Join us each week on Wednesdays for our sweet hour of prayer.
Hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer that calls me from a world of care and
A time set apart to be with God and meet with Him through prayer.
Father's throne, make all my wants
Come to pray, come to worship, come and be present with God.
in seasons of distress and grief. My soul has often found relief.
7 p.m. Wednesday evenings at Sand Hill.